Well, actually, I normally don't face much difficulties because I'm usually very through and thorough with them. The ones I get along with and the ones I prefer to work with, I carry on with them. The others I excuse. And mostly the only issues I have is when they become too much involved in design. Come and show me pics and show me photographs of places imported from other countries, other environments who've got their own climate and not adaptable in the Lahore climate, or probably in other arid zones. You can't actually have large windows and completely glass houses in arid environments. So people get fascinated by them, and they get their ideas get hijacked. That is the only difficulty that I feel that I come across. Other than the rest, I, alhamdulillah, manage very well. Yeah, it is. It actually, I look at it in this perspective that's bringing our community very close to one another. And I used to meet everybody very frequently. But because of Banjaiga, it's becoming more frequent, which is actually very good. It's actually very good. So that's why I think it's a positive. I get to see Ali Rahman and Saif much more often because of this. So I think it's double thumbs up from my side.